Over 1.2 million people in Kenya today as we speak work online, and by 2030, based on research, more than 50% of jobs will require you and me to have digital skills. This is where the world is going, into the digital space. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 skills that you can learn online for free, and they will help you to make money as we speak this year. Welcome to EduSens Africa. I share with you weekly videos about your educational and your career journey. I help you understand the options that you have, and I also bring you current affairs of what is happening in the educational and in the career sector. So in this video, I'm sharing with you 5 online skills that you can learn for free and make money as we speak. And on top of it, I'm going to share with you where you can actually go to learn these skills for free. So I don't only tell you is this and this and these skills, I'm also telling you where you can go and learn these skills for free by yourself and be able to make money with them. The first skill is digital marketing. Digital marketing is booming nowadays because every company, every business is going online to look for customers and to keep up with their current customers. This is one of the courses that you can actually do at the comfort of your home online, and go apply for a job and actually get that job and even work online at the comfort of your home again. You simply need to get the skills, approach the different businesses that you see around you, and propose to them the service of helping them to come online or to be digital. And you can be able to even show them how they will make more money or how they will meet more customers, and just like that, you have a job and you're making money for yourselves. So digital marketing is the course number 1. The second course that you can learn online and for free is web development. I'm sure you've gone through very many websites and maybe you are wondering, how can I come up with this website? Believe you me, you can learn how to come up with a website by yourself, online and for free. And in this AI era, I can tell you that you can easily learn web development without going through the stress people used to go through long time ago to just learn coding. You have a lot of help on your way right now with the help of AI. So if you've always wondered how websites are developed and you've had that interest and you think that it is something that you can do but you don't know where to study or how to go about it, you can actually study it online for free and you can go ahead to become a web developer. The third skill that you can learn online is video editing. Yes, making videos like the one I'm making to you, or all these videos you see on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, they can be able to make you a lot of money, because if you approach a company that wants to produce videos but they don't have someone making these videos for them, or even you can make your own company, start your own business and use video to put yourself out there and to advertise some of the things that you are doing. You'll be able to make a lot of money, because when you reach people and you advertise to them through video, they are able to see exactly what it is you're selling. They're even able to see how you produce whatever it is, or how you are actually able to come up with your products right on video, and they will purchase from you because they can see the process of how you are creating that product. So video editing is a skill that is very, very important in this day and age, and you can actually learn it online for free and use it to make money as well. The fourth skill that you can learn online is virtual assistants. If you don't know what virtual assistants is, you have people who are very busy and maybe they're CEOs of companies, they're employees, or they simply need someone to help them do things like writing emails, booking appointments, confirming appointments, and you just do this at the comfort of your home. You get the agenda, you get the job done, and you submit it right from the comfort of your homes. This is virtual assistance, and you can be able to get the skills online and also work online. If you're there and you've always wanted to do virtual assistance or any of the skills that I have shared with you already, stick to the very end, because I told you I'm going to be sharing with you where you can go to learn these skills for free. The fifth skill that you can actually learn online and for free is data analysis. Data analysis is very, very lucrative, because companies are now looking at how can they improve their performance based on what they have already done. And they think that they have already done, they have data for it. So for them to be able to predict what is coming in future, they need to analyze the data that they have and then use it to look at where they are going. And that needs a data analyst. So you can be able to learn these skills online, create a portfolio, showcase what you can be able to do, and use it to apply for jobs. Now let's go to where can you learn these skills online and for free. I'm going to be giving you 3 places that you can learn online and for free, and the first place is YouTube. This very platform, YouTube, has helped a lot of people get into career paths that they never were into before, and they have done it for free. When we talk about data analysis, virtual assistants, video editing, just go to YouTube and search how to become a video editor, how to edit a video, and look for someone that is teaching you step by step. They always usually have playlists and series of showing you how to do it, and you'll be able to learn from them. Make sure that you practice and you create your own portfolio in whichever skills you're going to learn. Always create your own portfolio, because this is what is going to help you to actually apply and get jobs. The second place that you can learn such skills for free is the Google Digital Garage. If you've never heard about it, just go on Google and search Google Digital Garage, because they have very many courses that they are offering for free, and they're able to help you to learn and get these skills and actually use them to make money. In this day and age, you don't have an excuse to say this course is very expensive, I cannot be able to afford school fees. As long as you have a computer and you can get internet and you concentrate, you give yourself time, not even a long period of time, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you can be able to learn these skills and go ahead to make money for yourself. Before I share with you the last place that you can go to access some of these courses, if you are new here, you're very much welcome. Please consider subscribing to EduSens Africa, because I share with you very many informative videos every single week. And if you want to get updated, subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a video. And if you are finding this information useful, consider sharing it with other people that are looking for skills to learn or courses to do, and they are maybe stuck, because you might just be the blessing they are waiting for. Now let's go to the last place that you can learn all the skills I've shared with you free of charge and online, and this is HubSpot Academy. Again, go on Google and search HubSpot Academy and look at what they are offering. If you find a skill that I've talked about and has interested you, and you think that you can commit yourself to do it, please go ahead, put in the work, and after gaining the skills and creating the portfolio, you will be on your way to making money online. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.